Hi guys, guess what? My camp is for the own Kevin. So, it's for the oven and the freezer. It's good to the sink. And it's a man's room. And it's a little boy's room. We'll do sit back here. Then I know this happened. This is the Clover's room. Here's the Casper's room. This Casper's, and with all the Clovers. So look, it's so bad. Let's take a nap. I'm awake. Let's take it back in the upstairs. And like the Clover's room. This is to wash hands. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's wet. Let's go in the bathroom. Let's have a tub, the bath. Let's take a shower. Let's do a toilet. Let's wash our hands. Can I look at the mirror? Wow, so cool. And let's take it outside. Must be outside. Then he'll be throwing a campfire, and we'll look out the swimming. It's making the fire cookies, and I have to go to the store. Look, it's all the toys. Let's go to this college at the Spirit Halloween. Until next time, we'll see you tomorrow. Like and subscribe. See you next time.